Randall Noe Supercenter presents this 2010 Volvo XC60 all-wheel drive 4-door 3.0T with moonroof with just 33k miles. Represented in black and complemented nicely by its black interior, fuel efficiency comes in at 21 highway and 16 city. Under the hood you will find the 6-cylinder turbo 3.0 coupled with the 6-speed automatic transmission. Clean CARFAX vehicle history report, dealer serviced. Features include turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive, 18-inch alloy wheels, privacy glass, leather upholstery, a power passenger seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, sportier instrument gauges, fog lamps, roof rails, a power driver's seat with memory functions, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, city safety, Bluetooth, steering wheel mounted audio controls and an 8-speaker CD MP3 stereo with satellite and HD radio and USB and auxiliary audio inputs. All service is current. We have inspected this vehicle then done the following: pre-delivery inspection completed, maintenance inspection completed, oil and filter changed, wiper S replaced, air filter replaced, brake rotor resurfaces, tires rotated and balanced, fabric protection applied, washed detailed. Please contact our prone sales department for any additional information needed. 2. Check inventory. To schedule your visit and to secure this turbocharged 2010 Volvo XC60, want to save some time? Finance in advance online at www.financeinadvance@randallnoe.com.